Guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Pretty K. If it's your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome to my channel and thanks for watching. So today I just created this look for you guys. So if you really want to know how I achieved this look, let's just jump into the video. Thank you guys and I love you. As you can see, I already did my eyebrow off camera, and then also I light my brow bone and everything. So I'm going with this, my eyeshadow pencil. It's a 58, as you can 56, and this one is from Kiko. So my first translucent color, I'm going with this color right here, and it's also from Kiko. And I'm going to set this all the way on my crease, and I'm going to blend it. So for my second translucent color, I'm going to take this color right here. And this palette is from Kiko. I'm still going with the same brush. So as you can see, I'm slightly blending it out. So by doing that, if you want to cut your crease, you can get a good shape. And I'm going with this, my brush is the 52, it's also by Kiko. So I'm going to take this brown color, this brownish color right here, so I will blend it with the dark. So I'm going to put this on my outer crease, outer T dot. So like this way, I'm just going to dab the black because I don't want to blend it, so I'm just patting out like this. And I'm going with the first translucent color I just have to blend it. To cut my crease, I'm going with this, my concealer stick. Because of my crease is too small, so I'll bring it all the way up. Go with this blue here. And I'm going with my lash glue, and I'm going with my blue glitters. I finished with the eyes, and I'm going to rub my concealer before going with my foundation. And I'm going with my foundation. Go with my foundation stick. This is the 06, it's by Kiko, so just going to blend this all over my face. So I'm going with my liquid eyeliner. I'm going with my concealer, and this is by Kiko. This is the 07. Skin tone. Yeah, this is skin tone concealer. So I'm going to add light under my eyes, forehead, bringing down my nose, my chin. That's all where I like to add lighter, so I'm just going to blend this out. So for concealer, I'm going with this my concealer stick. And I'm going to blend this one again. So today I'm going to use this my Benny powder, and I'm going to bake my face. And I'm going to use this my stick from Bobbi Brown, so I'm just going to press this one on my skin. So to blend my foundation, my powder, I'm going with my MAC Studio Fix. So now I'm going with this my big floppy brush, and I'm just going to blend all over my face this time around, just to pat this one. So for contouring, I'm going with this my contouring palette. After my contouring, I always love to go with my powder stick again, just to blend everything out, because I'm not a fan of too much contouring. So I always love to add this on my nose, just a little bit of it. So to blend the concealer on my eyes, I'm going with the second color I use for my translucent color. So for highlighting, I'm going first with my highlighting drops. So for highlighting, I'm going to blend this two. This one, it's a little bit dark. This one is a little bit bright. So I'm just going to take just a touch from this one, just a little bit of dab from the two. Then I will just blend it. So I'm going with this my Carolina baking powder. I love this blush because it's very light, it's not too much. So for my tear dots, I'm going with this my silver shimmy eyeshadow. So for mascara, I'm going with my Kiko. So now I'm going with my lipstick, and then this is the Kiss Proof Soft Lipstick. So the lipstick I was trying to test which kind of lipstick would pass on. I wanted to use red, but I find that red it to be too much of color, so I decided to go with this color here. It sounds like a shimmy color. So thank you guys for watching.